डॉक्टर गुप्ता कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट दिल्ली अपोलो हॉस्पिटल से। आज एक पेशेंट हैं जिनको मैंने 2014 में स्टेंट लगाया था। 2014 4 अगस्त 2014 पेशेंट को एक गाना गाना है। अभी एक गाना गुनगुनाइएगा खुशी में। तो उनको आज चेस्ट पेन हुआ एंड ही वेंट टू अनदर हॉस्पिटल एंड वी फाउंड दैट ईसीजी में एसटी एलिवेशन था एंटीरियर लीड में। तो मैंने इनको कहा कि इमरजेंसी पहुंची अपोलो के। ही रीच अपोलो इमरजेंसी एंड वी टुक हिम टू द कैथ लैब एंड द कैथ लैब में इनको हेपेरिन दिया गया था इन अनदर हॉस्पिटल। कैथ लैब में वी हैव डन ए क्विक एंजियोग्राफी एंड आई वांट टू शो यू द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द एंजियोग्राफी। तो दिस इज द रीनल है, लेकिन हम पहला शॉट दिखाते हैं आपको। दिस इज फर्स्ट शॉट। उल्टा है, रिवर्स आ रहा है बिकॉज रिवर्स कैमरा है एंड यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट स्टेंट विच इज डिप्लॉयड। और this is a very good view. We can see the stent is fully deployed. There is some thrombus here which is recanalized. That means he had ST elevation because of the blockage in this artery, but for some reasons spontaneous lysis has happened. We have not given thrombolysis and the artery is fully open. There is some haziness, I can show you. You can see some haziness in the middle part of the stent. I come close, you can see some haziness in the middle part of the stent. That means the clot was forming here and it got lysed. It's very clear, some haziness. If I go further in the middle part of the stent, that means it was having subacute thrombosis was happening. That means we have to do now platelet. We have to check whether the medicine which is taking clopidogrel resistance could be there in this case. Sometimes clopidogrel resistance. So now we are happy that the patient stent is doing well and there is some haziness which has now resolved, which is resolving stage, and the patient will be treated by medical treatment alone. Patient is a regular my follow-up for last almost 11 years and he is taking medicines all antiplatelets. I have not yet stopped his, he's still on dual antiplatelet, and despite that he has a episode of acute coronary syndrome involving ST elevation MI. So I always tell all my patients dual antiplatelets should be stopped with care and one should not actually rush. He wants to say something. You want to say something?
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you very much.
जाना गुनगुन नहीं तो 10 सेकंड रह गए।
Thank you.
चलिए बात नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। थैंक यू डॉक्टर विक्रम अपोलो टॉकिंग अबाउट acute MI